Gala Games at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move, losing support on the 0.01846, flipping it back into resistance. We are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is acting as support. We are also holding above a key area of support above the 0.01573. And on today's video, I will be discussing my short-term price prediction analysis. And above all, on the daily chart, I will be giving you an area that we need to continue holding. And if we lose that key area, there is a chance of a total breakdown move on the Gala Games chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the daily chart, where you can see that last year we got our bear market lows and started a very nice bounce to the upside, where we picked to the upside above the 0.08702 in a move that I have been terming as this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪𝗓 count 1. And after we picked in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 1, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 2, whose minimum target areas I highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made last year to that high above the 0.08702, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that lies between the 0.0499 and the 0.02842, which is an area that we fully maximized. And I was expecting that Gala Games is going to continue holding within this blue target area over here for me to expect a bounce to the upside in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 3. But at the time of this recording, you can all see that we lost the fib level 0.78. We also lost the last line of support on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.88. And that lies above the 0.02134, flipping it back into resistance. And there is a chance that having lost the fib level 0.88, we are going to see a total breakdown move here on the Gala Games chart, in a move that will easily give us a reset of the lows that we made last year in October, below the 0.01235. And the moment that plays out, then from that point we can expect a bit of a bounce to the upside. Alternatively, we can continue heading further down in a move that can give us new bear market lows. So that is the alternative that I have here on the daily chart. We also need to have in mind that in case we get a bounce in the next coming hours, we need to see a break back above the fib level 0.78, the fib level 0.88, which lies above the 0.02134. And in case we manage to get back above that area, there's a chance that we can see a bounce to the upside in an impulsive move, in what will be suggesting that we still have a low in place for this second wave, and a chance to bounce to the upside in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 3. So that is the alternative scenario that you need to have in mind. Jumping back to the 1-hour chart, here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that we are seeing a bit of a breakdown move, losing support on the 0.01846, and there's a chance that in case the bears continue to dominate the market, we are going to continue heading further down to the next line of support on the 0.01574. And as long as we continue holding above that, there's a chance of another bounce back, breaking through resistances, and continue breaking above other significant highs. But if by any chance we get that breakdown move to the 0.01574, and maybe at some point we lose it, maybe with a retest, there's a high chance that we are going to see further breakdown moves in a move that will easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August, below the 0.01358. So that is another scenario that you need to have in mind. So let's continue watching those significant key areas of supports, because on losing those areas of supports, there's a chance of a total breakdown move here on the Gala Games chart. So that is what I am expecting on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.